स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस चैप्टर 4 है राजपूत एज। आज आपका न्यू चैप्टर स्टार्ट हो रहा है। इन दिस यूनिट वी गेट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट ब्रेवरी एंड स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द राजपूत्स। ही वॉज द रूलिंग सिस्टम ऑफ राजपूत एज. What were the reasons of their fall? Solution to such questions can be found in this unit. Here a detailed information about the Indian states of North and South is given. In this unit we can have the introduction of powerful and valiant kings like Yashovarma, Mihir Bhoj, Munj, Prithviraj Chauhan and Narsivarma, and the glimpse of their acts. What was the condition of Gujarat in the Middle Age? How did great rulers like Vanraj Chavda, Siddharaj Jaisingh, Kumar Pal, etc. make Gujarat a powerful state? The information can also be sought from this unit. अभी जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है देखो टेक्स्ट बुक का, उसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, उसका है लिस्ट द प्रेजेंट नेम्स ऑफ द रीजन्स मार्क ऑन द मैप इन विच किंगडम ऑफ द राजपूत इज योर सिटी सिचुएटेड. Next, the names of regions shown in the map and their names today. The ancient name and present name है. And ancient name था इंद्रप्रस्थ, present name है दिल्ली. Ancient name था कनौज, अभी है उत्तर प्रदेश. प्रयाग उत्तर प्रदेश. बनारस उत्तर प्रदेश. पाल वेस्ट बंगाल. गुर्जर मध्य प्रदेश. प्रतिहार मध्य प्रदेश. तापी महाराष्ट्र. राष्ट्रकूटा कर्नाटक. चर केरला and Pandya Tamil Nadu. In Rajput age there we in Indraprastha, Knauj, Prayag, Banaras, Pal, Pratihar, Tapi, Rashtrakuta, Char and Pandya states. Our city is area exited under the ancient Chalukya, Chavda, Solanki and Waghela dynasties. Next question number 2 है why did many rulers of South India maintain a naval force? Rulers of South India like Rajraj I and rulers of their dynasty were very powerful. They ran foreign trade very well. They feared of piracy while their ships were at sea. Therefore, they had powerful naval army. If in case some enemy invaded their state by sea, they could protect themselves. Therefore, they had to maintain naval army. Next question है why are the old architectural monuments preserved? We can know our history with the help of ancient architecture, therefore it is preserved. Next question है why were wells, lakes, steps, wells, etc. constructed like temples in ancient time? In ancient period there remained a great scarcity of water in temples and in houses they left. A great need of water for cooking, washing clothes and drinking. Therefore, to get water at hand, they constructed well, ponds, tap wells, etc. Question 1 है who were known as feudal lords? In ancient days, kings had very large the empires in different provinces because they could not manage to collect revenues and carry out good administration in the farthest areas. So one who has allotted the job of collecting revenues was called a feudal lord. This feudal lord functioned as a part of the entire administration system. Whatever amount as revenue the feudal lords collected, they gave a certain part of it to the emperors and the rest he kept for himself. They had to raise armies and maintain them from that part. Whenever the emperors needed armies, the feudal lords were supposed to supply them to the emperors. Next question number 2 है name a powerful ruler of the Pallava dynasty. Mention any two of his achievements. Answer है in Pallava dynasty the powerful king was Narasimhavarma. Two of his achievements are as following. Number 1, during Pallava age many constructions were made. Among them, Kailash temple of Kanchi can be considered. Number 2, the rulers of this age were fond of literature and art. Rajputanis of middle age. Number 1, the Rajputs were brave. They felt proud in lying down their lives for nation. Number 2, they preferred death instead of retreat from battlefield. Number 3, the attributes in them where death is more preferable than being afraid to protect the one who yields at any cost, to speak the truth and to fight for truth. Rajputanis were known for their chastity and boldness. They sent their husbands, sons, or brothers off to battlefields happily. When required, they also took up swords and went to battlefields. They were such brave ladies. Number 6, if their husbands got defeated, they preferred Johar. नेक्स्ट है आपको शॉर्ट नोट करवानी है, वो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करवाऊँगी. आज आपको इतना ही करवा रही हूँ. ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और